This game, we sort of stole an idea from, actually, I think a lot of radio stations around the country play this game, and we've stolen the idea from them. It is a mystery sound game, and it is called The Sound of Hunger. Adam, will you sing for us the theme song for the game? Okay, never mind.
No, I think I'll save my singing for another time.
The sound of hunger. Okay, so anyway, so it's a mystery sound game. We have 3 mystery sounds. I will play a mystery sound. If you think you know what it is, buzz in by saying Team Awesome or Team Double Awesome. And if you get it right, you get a point. There's actually
a third team. There's a third team that's entered the picture. Team Chat Room.
Team Chat Room, okay, so Team Chat Room.
Are fighting.
I love everyone in the chat room.
We ignore them. We don't
No,
ignore
I
them.
love the chat room. I'm always watching the chat room, even though I'm not typing in there, because I am focusing on the switchboard. So if you're in the chat room, play along. If you're on Twitter, play along, okay? So Team Twitter, Team Chat Room, Team Awesome, and Team Double Awesome. Okay, so let's just get into this because it's now 11 p.m. So here is my hint for this segment of The Sound of Hunger. All of the sounds that you will be hearing tonight are sounds that can be found in District 12. Okay, so that is your little hint. So is everyone ready for the first sound?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone be quiet.
Team Double Awesome.
Okay, I heard Team Double Awesome first. Team Double Awesome, what sound was that?
That was a bow and arrow hitting something.
Yes. So correct. Yeah. That was the easy sound. That was the easy sound of the night. So you guys get 1 point. Yes, it's an arrow impacting, I guess, a bullseye or a target. I'll play it one more time in case you missed it. Okay. Shot by Katniss, probably.
I think it's safe to say, Savanna, that I'm on Team Totally Not Awesome because everyone else knew what that was and I had no idea.
Except for you.
It's a good thing I'm
okay,
not
well,
on
they're going to get harder, okay? They're going to get harder. So the second one also is something, it's a sound that you might hear in District 12, okay? So buzz in if you think you know what it is.
Team Double Awesome.
Okay, I heard Team Double Awesome. What do you think it is?
Sawing wood.
Is it?
It is not sawing wood. I will play it one more time, and then Team Awesome can try to answer. But Team Double Awesome, you don't get another chance. Oh. So I'll play it one more time. And listen very carefully. It's just maybe a little deceptive sounding. Team Awesome, do you want to guess what this might be?
It's Hamish shaving.
I love that answer so much. I kind of just want to give you a point. No, it's not Hamish shaving. It's not sawing wood. I don't see anyone that's gotten it right. This one's really, really hard.
Is it a washboard?
It's not a washboard. Okay, I'll play it one more time.
What about cutting bread? Is it cutting bread?
Yes, it's cutting bread.
Team Chat Room.
That must be some pretty stale bread from the Mellark Bakery. So yeah, that was slicing, I guess, a very crusty loaf of bread. Probably one that's been sitting out for a week. Okay, so the last one I think is the hardest.
But Savanna, you have to give credit to Team Chat Room for getting.
Oh yeah, I'll give Team Chat Room a point.
Let's make sure that they're recognized. They have.
Okay, Team Chat Room has a point. Team Double Awesome has a point. Team Awesome, you're not doing so awesomely.
I can't hear.
You might make a comeback on this. Okay, this one is the most difficult one. If you think you know what it is, buzz in. And again, it's a sound that could be heard in District 12.
Team Double Awesome.
Team Double Awesome, what do you think it is?
It sounds like coal mining.
It is not coal mining.
And it's not coal mining.
It's not coal mining. Okay, I'll play it one more time and let Team Awesome see if they can figure it out. Team Awesome, any ideas?
Sam?
I'm just wondering, is it a train?
It's not a train. Yeah, Sam, aren't you supposed to have very sensitive hearing?
It sounds like they're sharpening something to me. I don't know what though.
It sounds like a blacksmith.
Yeah, I was going to say blacksmith too.
Yeah.
There's no...
I still think it's Hamish shaving.
They're all Hamish shaving, actually.
Okay, wait. Someone on Twitter just suggested Buttercup throwing up.
That's actually the closest answer I've heard yet.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
It's not. I mean, it's not close, but it's closer than blacksmithing and sharpening a knife. Anyone in the chat room? I don't see. Oh, someone in the chat room. I'll give you a hint. Emily McGeary in the chat room is very close. Her answer or her guess is part of it. It's part of it.
Milking lady.
Who said that?
It's Shylah. Team Awesome.
That's it. It's milking a goat into a metal bucket.
Really? Wow. That's frightening.
Someone from team chat room kind of was even. I think they each get half a point. Someone else got that too.
Yeah. So this is the sound of a goat being milked by hand into a metal bucket.
Oh my God! Where did you find that?
You don't want to know.
Who is doing this milking?
Prim?
Prim.
I mean, it sounds like someone who's not very good at it is doing it.
Okay, well, I'm going to give Shylah a point, even though technically they shouldn't have gotten another chance. But I want Team Awesome to be on the board. So it's a three-way tie between Team Chat Room, Team Awesome, and Team Double Awesome. So congratulations.